It's that special time of the year. The Super Squad Academy is hosting the annual special karate class. It just happens once a year, and everyone in Animatropolis wants to be there. Oh, wow! The Super Squad has a lot of applications this time. How will so many students fit in the academy? There won't be enough space. Master Shellshock doesn't want anyone to miss the best karate class of the year, but he doesn't know how to hold a class for that many students. Oh, Shade's here. Maybe she could help. Yes, she has an idea. Shellshock could use the internet to connect with his network of students. Isn't it great when friends get together and share ideas and interests? When a group of people come together, they form a network. A network is like your circle of friends. You share your problems and little joys with them. Similarly, a group of professionals can get together and create networks too. A network of doctors can discuss and share information about the world of medicine, while a network of artists can share their artwork and ideas with each other. The word internet simply means a collection of networks of computers. In other words, the internet is a network of connected computers that can share information with each other. The internet helps us connect with people around the world. Even without meeting them in person, we can do this through emails, video calls, and even social media. With the internet, you can find an online book club to share your favorite book with others, or even join an online class to learn art, dance, and many more things. What if you're planning a camping trip? You can use the internet to get information about the place you're visiting, buy all the cool gear you'll need, and find exciting things to do when you get there. Hooray! Master Shellshock has found the solution to his problem. Master Shellshock is using the internet to take the special class. What a great idea! He even got students from across the country. Great teamwork, Super Squad!